everyone, this is for Magic Laser. I'm gonna show our brand new laser cleaning machines. Right here, I'm gonna introduce some details in the machines. And for the system for the laser cleaning machines, they have different languages. And right here is in the screen is the Chinese language, and also they have English for sure. Also for other languages here is the Japanese, and also this system could support the Korean language, and also this is for Russian language. So it's pretty wide for the language, and could fulfill all your need on the language. So for the wobble types, they have different types. You can pick up whatever you want, but mostly we use this strict line one. So this is the 8%, and also you can adjust the 50%. Also here's a different menu, different button for the machines, and also here's the inner side of the laser cleaning machine, and this is the laser source for this machine, which is from the Ricoh brand. And this one is a water chiller. Next we're gonna show our machine how this works and cleaning some rust from the iron. As you can see, this is our finished cleaning for the irons. So as you can see, there's so many rust on the iron, and we're just using this machine, laser cleaning machine, to remove this rust from the iron. So here's a difference. So the little bit yellow one is the rust, and here is the surface for the iron.